stuff. He's going to say his name. What's your name?
Korbel.
Korbel. Korbel loves to do animal sounds, and the first one he'll do for you is the sound of a rooster. So can you do a rooster? Good job. The next one he'll do is a kitty cat. Kitty, meow. Good kitty. And now a ferocious guard dog. Bark. Scary, huh? Sound like a killer chihuahua, right? Well, here's one more. When he needs your help, and I know you're good at that, everyone has to howl like a coyote, and he'll copy you. Everybody howl! Great job! Now he's going to do some human sounds like this. Had one of those before, huh? How about a sore throat? Bet your voice feels like that after you're singing for a while, huh? Now he's going to sing for you. He doesn't sing any songs with words, but he loves to sing those high notes of opera. Korbel, could you sing? How about those high notes? And well, he's not a baby, but he does get cranky and he cries like one. Can you cry? Don't you feel sorry for him? He has to go for a diaper change now. Well, he's got to go. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Let's give a round of applause for Korbel.